Let's begin the ketone workshop by talking about ketones. So ketone is an organic compound and a carbonyl compound with a carbonyl group or a carbon to oxygen double bond, in which the carbon is bonded with R and R prime and be a variety of carbon containing substituents. The geometry of a ketone is a trigonal planar, where the carbon bonded to the oxygen is at the center. Ketone is polar. This is because the oxygen has a greater electronegativity than that of the carbon.
Ketone has two intermolecular forces, dispersion and diper-diper force, which are due to the ketone's polarity.
Ketones are soluble as ketone molecules can accept hydrogen bonds from water molecules. However, as the molecular mass of the ketone increases, the ketone becomes less polar. Hence, the solubility of the ketone will also decrease. The molecular mass will increase the melting and boiling points. This increase is due to a stronger dispersion force. Ketones are produced when secondary alcohol is oxidized by strong oxidizing agents such as acidified dichromate ions. Before we end today's session, do your research on the biomedical applications of ketones. We will be covering it in the next session.
Ketones is basically useless with zero to no biomedical application.
That's not true. Ketone is extremely helpful.
I'm tired of you disagreeing with me all the time. Screw you!
How could you hit me?
5 types of biomedical applications of ketone.
Number 1. Bone implantation.
Doc, will I be okay? Will I be alright?
Probably not. Haha, you're gonna be all left. Okay, JK lol. A part of the bone in your leg is severely damaged and you will need a bone implant to repair the broken parts.
What is the material used for my implants?
The bone implant is made out of polyether ether ketone, or PEEK for short. It is a type of organic thermoplastic polymer produced through the step growth polymerization of bisphenolate salts. PEEK is a biocompatible high-performance polymer and one of the most promising candidates for use in manufacturing bone implants due to its similarity to the mechanical properties of bone.
Why is PEK used and how good is it?
So these are the PEEK applications and these are the outstanding properties of PEEK. The most important property is the elasticity to that of the bones, which effectively elevates the stress shielding effect. This is a reduction in the bone density that occurs when a stiff implant, such as a hip or a knee replacement, carries too much of the load that the bone would normally bear.
But from what I read, PEK does have some limitations, such as bioinert nature and hydrophobic surface. However, there are nano-modification strategies, as well as surface modification strategies that will help to make up for the limitations. Well, how about Susie? Is she gonna be okay?
Yes, let's see how she's doing.
Number 2. Dental implantation.
Wow, what happened to me? Ouch, my teeth hurt. How am I supposed to munch on my favorite Subway cookie?
Got into a fight with Pepper and she low-key knocked some of your teeth out. So you will need dental implants.
Okay, I see. Then what is the dental implant made out of? I prefer if the dental implant is not made out of metal.
Ah yes, the material of the dental implants will be polyether ketone or PEKK for short. It is a metal-free alternative. So PEKK is a semi-crystalline thermoplastic in the PAEK family of polymers. So these are the outstanding properties. So its biocompatibility and the resistance to sterilization processes makes the PEKK ideal for implants, dental devices, and surgical instruments. Moreover, the elastic material is also good in absorbing shock and resisting the fractures.
That's why PEKK has a good potential to be applied in a wide range of dental applications, including tooth restoration, crowns, bridges, endosses implants, dental frameworks, and dental implants.
Number 3. Solvent for disinfection.
Doctor, how was the surgery? Am I gonna survive the implant?
Fear not, the risk of infection after your bone implant is less than 10%. Furthermore, our hospital would disinfect all the medical and surgical tools used during your operation.
Oh, I think I have heard of it before doing research. Metal ether ketone, or MEK, is a powerful solvent and is used as a solvent for disinfectant during the procedure. MEK is produced by the dehydrogenation of 2-butanol. This is a process in which hydrogen atoms are removed from the 2-butanol molecule using catalysts such as copper, zinc, or bronze.
MEK is commonly used as a solvent to dissolve and remove various substances such as oil, grease, and wax. It also cleans and degreases metal surfaces before painting and coating.
So these are the physical properties of MEK. To elaborate on the first point, the high boiling point and the moderate evaporation rate makes it ideal for dissolving many substances.
Peppa slips on a banana peel and hurts her legs again. The injured one, by the way. She experienced chronic post-surgery pain and limps to the hospital to hopefully treat it.
Hey Peppa, how are you peeling on a scale of 1 to 10?
On a pain scale, I'm like a 6-7. Please, Dr. Morgan, I need this. My legs are kind of in pain again.
Number 4. Painkillers. Why you try not to laugh, Doc? This is so disrespectful, bro.
When you have chronic pain, your body keeps sending strong pain signals to your brain. Painkillers work by reducing those signals so your brain doesn't feel the pain as intensely. One example is hydromorphone, a hydrogenated ketone form of morphine. Its ketone group slightly changes its shape, letting it bind more effectively to the body's pain relief receptors. This makes it stronger and helps lower the pain signals for your nerves to send to your brain, giving you relief.
How is the painkiller gonna enter my body? Can I drink it? Is that effective?
Number 5. Drug delivery system.
The drug to reduce your pain will be embedded into the membrane of the drug releaser. This membrane is made out of sulfonated polyether ketone, also known as SPEK, which is used to control the release of the hydromorphone. And the membrane's hydrophilicity influences the interaction of water and medicine with the material, facilitating a consistent and regulated drug release from the membrane.
Peppa consumes the medicine and lives happily ever after. So you see, fighting with your friends about ketone will result in horrible incidents. In addition, there are numerous biomedical applications of ketones in various biomedical fields, such as bone and dental implants, disinfectant, painkillers, and drug delivery systems. Without this application, I would not have been able to lead such a happy life after my accident. Ketones aren't just organic compounds, they are organic compounds that can change lives. Yay!